So we have a Berlingo, it's sitting there on the way. We have a test pilot there, working the switch for us. We have a test lamp up here. What we were told was we've changed the screen wash pump, changed the fuse, and it's still not working. So if I've changed the pump, I'm not sure how it's not working. Oh, there's my test lead off. Right, so we'll just test the wire on the battery. 14.5 volts there. So it's quite hard to film this and show you. So this is just a simple 2-wire. It's a simple 2-wire switch. See if we can just go into here. Into there, where it's hard when you're testing further away than you'd like to be. So obviously if we get into this one here, we get nothing. Go and pull the switch for me. 14.5. So for me that pump should work down there. Again, nothing on there. Battery voltage on there, that pump for me should work. So what we'll do now is we'll see if we can check the earth on it. Right. Get the wire on. Coming off. So we know that other one was a live one. This should light up green to tell us we've got a good earth, which it does. So the circuit should be fine, the circuit should be working. So let's pause here and we'll plug it back in, see what it does. Citroen. We managed to find an old new stock, brand new Citroen pump. We had one there for Focus as well, to be honest with you. It's probably the same one, probably the exact same. So Ford Focus, Citroen, possibly the same one. However, so we checked it, it's the fuse. We were told it's had a new pump, it's had a fuse, and they still can't sort it. So basically we've had a little look. It seems to be getting power down to it. And it seems to have an earth. I don't see any other faults in there that would affect that system, to be honest with you. PSI is that fuse box, I think. So fault in the rear, position, lamp lighting, short circuit to positive, oil gauge fault, and reinitialization. So we'll save all of that anyway. Save report. See what this registration is. We left that there. So let's see. Quality Berlingo. Let's see. We'll pause here. Right, so we'll save all these and email to myself. Get a copy of them. One of the ones I'm concerned by is the battery one, short circuit. Oil gauge one. There's an aux gas one there as well. For richness measurement faulty. Pressed the wrong button, damn you. Right, okay, I'll need to sit here again while that does its thing. Right, I'll try the pump in it. Lighten up that bulb, okay. So, something alright. Let's see if we can activate that bulb from here. Windshield washing control. Start. There you go, bulb's lit up. So I've tried a screen wash pump in it, which was a genuine Citroen one. Which was that one. Which I've tested on the battery and it seems to work. France, holy Citroen. So, but we shall plug in. So that's a genuine one plugged in. Activation in progress. fault detected. Restart. What happening, but so I think we'll try another one. See, strange button. And that was the one for the focus. Which must be a used one. It looks too dirty, considering it was in that box. So, there you go. So put that with the test leads. There you go, so we'll get a genuine one, I think.